In the meantime, America's top diplomat and potential 2028 presidential candidate Marco Rubio gave the president a ring today to dwell on mutually important issues top billed by peace and security in the Indochina region and the tensions in the West Philippine Sea. Likewise, the president and Rubio dwelt on issues on vital economic issues such as information technology, energy, business processing and management, and the oil supply chain. Our Carlo Candelaria sums up all the details in this report.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has spoken with U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio in a phone call. The President and the U.S. Secretary discussed bilateral economic and security priorities, particularly advancing peace and security in the South China Sea. Thomas Pigott, spokesperson for the U.S. Department of State, said the U.S. reaffirmed its commitment to developing the Luzon Economic Corridor and exploring ways to address regional energy challenges. The United States emphasized the continued close cooperation between the two nations as they commemorate 75 years as allies and 8 decades of diplomatic relations between the Philippines and the U.S. in 2026. According to Malacanang, they are deferring other details to the Department of Foreign Affairs. Meanwhile, Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro said the discussion between President Marcos Jr. and Secretary Rubio touched on economic issues such as information technology, business process management, energy, and oil supply. They also underlined the importance of regional peace and security, particularly in the West Philippine Sea.
Ang pahayag na ito ay sumasailalim sa patuloy na pagpapatibay ng alyansa ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos at sa magkatuwang na adhikain ng dalawang bansa para sa kapayapaan, kaunlaran at katatagan sa rehiyon.
Meanwhile, the United States is set to provide a naval patrol vessel to the Philippine Coast Guard. Yusek Castro conveyed the PCG's statement regarding these developments, noting it will greatly assist in maintaining maritime security as well as humanitarian operations like search and rescue.
Ang pagdating ng isang decommissioned na barko ng US na kabilang sa Reliance class ay itinuturing na mahalagang dagdag sa kakayahan ng Philippine Coast Guard na gampanan ang tungkulin nito sa West Philippine Sea.
Carla Luis Candelaria from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.